So hey everyone, in this video I will show you how you can create a React project in your Visual Studio Code in 2025. Okay, so if you are a beginner, then this video is going to be useful for you. So don't skip the video and follow me to create a React project successfully in your Visual Studio Code. So first of all, go to the terminal and type this command to check whether your system have already any node package or not. Type node-v. If your system have already any node package, then it will display like this node version. If you don't have, then it will display nothing. Okay. So you can see my system don't in my system don't have any node package. So first of all, go to the browser and search node package and uh, go to the office. This is the official website link, and go to the official website link, and here you can see download the LTS version. This is the long-term support version, and clicking the button to start downloading. Okay, once the download is completed, go to the download folder and run the installer. Now let's follow me. Okay, now follow me and install this node package successfully in your system. Tick next, next, and next, next, next. Okay, now it is ready to install. Okay, it is successfully installed in your system. To check this, again go to the window PowerShell and type this command node hyphen and v. Now it's showing the version. That means we have successfully installed node in our system. Okay, now create a folder. So let me create a folder name React project and navigate this folder and open it in your Visual Studio Code. Okay, after open, press Ctrl plus backtick to open the terminal. Okay, after open the terminal, type this command npm create vite either latest and folder name to quickly set up a React project using Vite. And this command generate a boilerplate a React project using Vite, making development faster and smoother. It may take a couple of time to create the folder, and this Vite is responsible for design the folder structure for the project of React. Okay, now select the framework React, and in variant select the JavaScript, and now type the command cd and your folder created folder name. Oh, accidentally I left a space in between my cd command and a project name. So remember that, take and space between cd and project folder, otherwise you may also face this error. Okay, now let me clear it and go to the project folder and explore the structure created by Vite for the React project. Inside this project, you will find two main folders. One is public and another one is SRC. In this public folder, you can see I have an Vite logo, and in this SRC folder, you can see it contains CSS files and React component. Now let's install the necessary node modules to run this React project on the server side. Okay, to run this project on the server side, we are going to follow a documentations. So first of all, go to the browser and search Tailwind documentations. Okay, and here you can see, click the second one link to open this documentation. And after open, here you can see there are 4 to 5 steps that we are going to follow to install Tailwind CSS in our project folder. Okay, so first of all, let me copy this first one link, and after copy this, go to the terminal and paste it and press enter. This command does two things. First one is add Tailwind CSS to your project, and second one is optimize Tailwind for Vite based project, and it ensure all required node modules are set up in your project. It may take a couple of minutes to install all the necessary node modules in your project. Once the installation is complete, your project will be ready to use Tailwind CSS. Now follow the second step and copy this and go back to the Visual Studio Code, and here you can see in project directory v.config.js and import this inside here, and let's go back to the once again to this documentation, and now copy this Tailwind CSS function, okay, here, and go back to the Visual Studio Code and paste this function inside this plugin. Let's go to the once again let's go to the Tailwind CSS documentation and follow the step 3. Step 3, what is saying? It's saying import Tailwind CSS in your style file. So copy this, import Tailwind CSS and go back to Visual Studio Code and find where is your style files. So go to the src folder and inside this go to the Avdar CSS and paste this import Tailwind CSS. Okay, overall this was the process how you can create a React project inside your Visual Studio Code and you can import Tailwind CSS. Overall this was the process. Now let's run this project in your local development server. But to run this code in your local server, copy this command and go to the terminal and paste it. Otherwise it is simple command. Type npm run dev. Okay, it will enable your local development server. Here you can see our port is 5173. This is the our local development server port. So overall this was the process how you can install an npm package in your system and how you can create a React project in your Visual Studio Code and link Tailwind CSS in your project. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Be Smart Coder. Hit the bell icon for update and check out this video.